Are you someone who admires the iconic styles of celebrities and influencers, but find their outfits either uncomfortable or perhaps not quite age-appropriate? Or maybe you simply prefer to dress with a bit more coverage while still looking stylish. If so, you're in the right place. This series is designed to help you discover how to dress modestly, comfortably, and fashionably, ensuring you leave a lasting impression wherever you go. We'll take some outfits you love and reimagine them to be more comfortable, modest, and practical. With some changes, we'll also provide a body type guide for each dress style, helping you choose the most flattering option for your unique shape. Outfit 1. We've all seen those cute outfits with shirts and skirts, but they can come with a few challenges. Skirt length. Skirts are often too short, making it difficult to balance style and comfort. Shirt preferences. Some find shirts too formal or restrictive. Fit and comfort. Tight outfits might not be comfortable for those who prefer a relaxed fit. If skirt length is a concern but longer skirts give you the grandma look, it might be because your shirt lacks width at the hips. Opt for a skirt with pleats or added volume at the hips to improve the hips-to-waist ratio. Here are some examples for inspiration. If you simply don't like shirts, don't worry, there are plenty of stylish alternatives to explore, such as blouses. Offer a more relaxed fit with various fabrics and designs. Tunics provide coverage and comfort while still looking chic. Sweaters add warmth and a cozy feel without the structure of a shirt. Wrap tops offer adjustable fits and a flattering silhouette. Knit tops combine comfort with style in a more casual format. Here are some examples for inspiration. If tightness is an issue with shirts, consider the following styles. Loose-fit blouses provide a relaxed, comfortable fit without clinging to the body. Oversized shirts offer a laid-back look with ample room. Flowy tunics allow for freedom of movement while maintaining a stylish appearance. Wrap tops, adjustable fits that can be loosened or tightened as needed. Kimono sleeves add a touch of elegance and ease with their draped design. Here are some examples for inspiration. Body type guide. Inverted triangle. Shirts. Choose shirts with a fitted design that aren't too wide at the shoulders. V-necks, scoop necks, and wrap styles help draw attention downward, balancing a broader upper body. Avoid shirts with heavy shoulder details or embellishments. Skirts. Opt for A-line, flared, or pleated skirts to add volume to the lower body and create a balanced silhouette. High-waisted skirts are also a good choice to define the waist and add proportion. Pear shape. Shirts. Look for shirts that enhance the upper body with details like ruffles, puffed sleeves, or shoulder pads. Off-the-shoulder or boat neck styles can broaden the shoulders and balance the hips. Skirts. A-line or fit and flare skirts that fall just above or below the knee are ideal for skimming the hips without clinging. Avoid overly tight skirts and opt for darker colors on the lower half to minimize the hips. Straight body shape. Shirts. Choose shirts that add curves with elements like ruffles, peplum, or wrap designs. Cinched or belted waists can help create the appearance of an hourglass figure. Skirts. Go for skirts with volume, such as A-line, pleated, or tiered styles, to add shape and dimension. High-waisted skirts can define the waist, while patterns or textures can further enhance the silhouette. Outfit 2. These outfits offer a high level of comfort and style, though a few common issues may arise. Basic appearance. Without careful attention to detail, the outfit might come across as too plain. Tightness. Some individuals may find tight-fitting outfits uncomfortable. Without attention to detail, the outfit can appear too outdated. To avoid this, experiment with colors, patterns, and textures. Instead of sticking to basic jeans and a simple top, consider adding a pop of color or incorporating different patterns. You might also explore off-shoulder tops, collared shirts, or layering options. Here are some examples for inspiration. Some people may find tight-fitting outfits uncomfortable. To address this, opt for loose-fitting alternatives. Choose softer fabrics or longer shirts to enhance comfort and maintain a stylish appearance. Here are some examples for inspiration. Body type guide. Inverted triangle. Tops, opt for V-necks, scoop necks, or wrap tops that draw attention downward. Avoid tops with heavy embellishments or wide shoulders. Choose fitted tops with subtle details to keep the upper body in balance. Bottoms, go for wide leg, flared, or bootcut bottoms to add volume to the lower body, balancing broader shoulders. High-waisted styles can also help create a more proportionate silhouette. Pear shape. Tops, look for tops with poofy sleeves, ruffles, or shoulder pads to broaden the shoulders and create the illusion of an hourglass figure. Structured jackets and off-the-shoulder tops also work well. Bottoms, choose straight leg, boot cut, or slightly flared bottoms that skim the hips without clinging. Darker colors and mid-rise or high-rise styles help to elongate the legs and minimize the hips. Straight body shape. Tops, select tops with details like ruffles, peplum, or wrap styles to add dimension and create curves. Tops with cinched waists or belts can also enhance the waistline. Bottoms, opt for high-waisted, wide leg, or flared bottoms to create the appearance of curves. Bottoms with pockets, pleats, or other embellishments can also add volume to the lower half. Outfit 3. While these dresses are undeniably stunning, they may not be suitable for everyone due to a few considerations. Body types. These dresses may not flatter all body types, potentially making some individuals feel less confident in their appearance. Coverage. Some may prefer outfits that offer more coverage either for personal comfort or cultural reasons. Everyday wear. These styles aren't typically practical for daily wear, particularly for students or professionals with a busy routine. If you find that these dresses aren't flattering for your body type, it's essential to pay close attention to detail when selecting an outfit. Start by considering which areas you prefer not to emphasize. For instance, if you want to downplay your waist or belly, or if you're concerned about hip dips, choose designs that minimize focus on these areas. If it is issue, got for looser option. For those with a heavier upper body, opt for dresses with a looser fit around the hips to create balance. Conversely, if your lower body is heavier, dresses with shoulder pads or a square neckline can help achieve a more balanced silhouette. Examples for inspiration. If problem is coverage or you want to make it everyday wear, go for style below as it look very elegant and put together. Body type guide. Inverted triangle body type. Add shoulder pads. Slightly padded shoulders can balance wider shoulders and add structure. Opt for A-line skirt. Choose a dress with an A-line or flared skirt to add volume and create balance with the upper body. Emphasize waist. A cinched waist or belt can enhance your waistline and create a more defined silhouette. Pear body type. Looser bottom. Look for dresses with a looser or flared bottom to provide more comfort and balance the proportion between hips and shoulders. Detail on top. Add interest or embellishment to the upper part of the dress to draw attention upwards. Tailored waist. A fitted waist can help accentuate your waistline and create a balanced look. Straight body type. Add structure. Incorporate elements like structured seams or padding in the bust area to create the illusion of curves. Define waist. Use belts or dresses with a cinched waist to create a more defined hourglass shape. Layering. Layer with a jacket or vest can add dimension and break up the straight lines of the dress. Outfit 4. These dresses are extremely feminine but come with a few potential drawbacks. Coverage. As mentioned earlier, some individuals prefer more coverage, which these dresses may not provide. Puffiness. The voluminous nature of these dresses can make them impractical for everyday wear. Additionally, some people simply prefer a slimmer, more streamlined silhouette. If you want some extra coverage, go for following style as they show little skin and are comfortable. If you want less puffiness for more convenience, go for these kind of dresses. Body type guide. Inverted triangle body type. Shoulder pads. Add light shoulder pads to balance the broader shoulders. Flared or A-line skirt. Choose a dress with a flared or A-line skirt to add volume below the waist and balance the upper body. Peplum waist. A peplum detail can help create a more defined waist and add volume to the hips. Pair body type. A-line or flared skirt. Opt for a dress with an A-line or flared skirt to accommodate wider hips and create a balanced silhouette. Embellishments on top. Add details like ruffles, patterns, or embellishments to the upper part of the dress to draw attention upwards. Wrap or empire waist. Consider a wrap dress or one with an empire waist to enhance the waistline and flow away from the hips. Straight body type. Belted waist. Use a belt or choose a dress with a built-in waist to create the illusion of curves. Ruched or draped fabric. Dresses with ruching or draping can add texture and dimension, enhancing curves. Structured bodice. Opt for a dress with a structured bodice or details like pleats or gathers to add shape to the upper body. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe.